Hey everyone, it's me, and I just got home. I went and picked up some of the orders that I had ordered from Walmart. I ordered some, I'm not even gonna really say workout wear, but I picked out some things to wear. We're joining yet another gym. We had joined one gym that was kind of like the 24-hour small one, but then another big one has just opened up. It's like really nice and has a lot more things to do. So we're switching. I was just doing month to month at that one. We're switching to this one, and it's time to almost time to start walking the loop. Actually, like today we could because it is so hot outside. It's in the 70s and it's really humid. But so I chose some things from Walmart to wear. I was thinking mostly to walk the loop or wear to the gym. And this video is in collaboration with Walmart and Chanel here. She will never give up, never. She will be in this video if it kills her. The first thing I'm gonna show you that I chose, and these are probably my favorite pants because I love joggers. They are my favorite. And I was just telling Brooke, I said, you know that I would easily throw these on with some boots and a faux fur. I mean, I just love joggers like this. They feel real good. And these are Chanel. They are the Athletic brand. They have the moisture wicking Flexfabric track pant. And I got the medium, which is an 8 to 10, and they were $16.96. So, and I was going to put my tennis shoes on, but I really wanted to try these on with boots just to show you how cute pants like these are on with boots. I was actually picking up Will from school today. He had exams and got out early, and you know, when I'm watching all the girls come out, there was so many of them that just had on, you know, workout wear. But I love these with boots. Not necessarily with like this top, but like a big black sweatshirt or something. So I would easily wear these with anything, especially like a black moto. And then this little white tank I got. All of a sudden I'm into white tank tops, but this is what I like to get to throw over. I'm not ready to expose my stomach yet, but I did buy one of these exercise tops. It's like this, and then it has just the white. And I just got one of these because Bridget's trying to psych me out. But anyway, I just got one of these, and I'm glad I did because I ordered the large, because I don't know if you're like me, but when I am hot and sweaty and I have just come back from walking, I freak out when I am trying to take one of these off and it's stuck to me. But I ordered this, it's the large, 12-14, and it's the Athletic brand. And I think it might be, my advice would be to get your real size because it's really, really loose. Like right here, it's like hardly even touching my skin. I'm gonna keep it just because I think it'll be good for right now until I lose a little bit of weight. But so this is what I like to wear, is like a top like this, or a nice like, I kind of want to get like an athletic bra that's a real bra, and then wear it under stuff like this. And that is, you know, this is how I would go to the gym, or probably more how I would go walk the loop. And everybody that lives here know what that means, but at our beach we have a big loop around, it's kind of like around the center of the island, and it's a big loop. Everybody walks and everything. The park is there and everything, and it's about 3.5 miles. So it's just a really good walk that I've been doing since I was in high school. Okay, so I am anticipating that I'm gonna need some jackets, and keep in mind that all of these things I show you I can share with Brooke. And I saw this, and this is the brand Avia. And I'm real familiar with that brand. I remember when the Avia tennis shoes came out and everything. So I grabbed this just in case I wanted. Sometimes you have to actually wear something like this the first half of the walk, and then by about the second half, you know, you're already burning up, so you can take it off. But I liked how this was, sorry, let me get it, I'm trying to do it here in the mirror. I liked how this is kind of streamlined And I think it's kind of flattering. Like imagine if you had on just, matter of fact, let me change my pants and put on another pair of the pants. I'm gonna put these on. These are my favorites. Look at that. Is that not so like 70s? So these are Avia again. They're the performance legging and I got size medium. So let me go put these on real quick with this vest. Yeah, I love these. See how they come up super high and then they have those really cool stripes, and I just kept on this t-shirt, but for this look I would tuck the t-shirt in or not wear it at all. And I went ahead and threw on my tennis shoes, nothing special, but I like these for walking. They have a real big like toe box. And so I think these are so cute. And again, I would also just as easily put these on. I might not put these on with boots as quickly, but I do think that they would still look good with a big jean jacket or something. I think they're just so cute. They actually go good with my tennis shoes, don't they? So this is, I really like this because it's so fitted and not bulky, but it's definitely warm. Okay, so this is, I guess you would say, outfit number 2. And I love this. Okay, I've got more jackets. I couldn't decide, so I got a few jackets because I knew, like I said, we would be sharing them, and everything was very inexpensive. Let me show you my favorite thing. This is the one thing that I was most excited about. And it's this jacket. And what brand is this? Okay, this is also Avia, medium 8 to 10. And it's just like a little zip up jacket, but I loved like that purpley snake print on the bottom, and then the sleeves. And then this has a hood. And, oh, is it actually, oh yeah, it's like actually a hoodie. But, oh yeah, okay. So the drawstring at the bottom just kind of stays like that. Okay, oh my gosh, yes. So this is so cute. I love like those stripes. I don't know if I would wear this with this. I would probably just keep it kind of plain. I've got some other ones over here, maybe these. Did I get these to go with this? Yeah, okay, I think I got these to go with this. So these are also Avia. And you can see, I don't think I need to try these on. It's the same concept. So this is an awesome outfit. I'm looking at another shirt I got that I must have been thinking about to get with these, but this would be so good. And it's very, I don't know, it's thin, but I think it's gonna be good at breaking the wind. This is another shirt that I got, and I was worried about it being too big, but I don't know, I think it might be just right. It's a medium, again, it's Avia, and I just love the color. Yeah, this one has the thumb holes. Oh, I love this. Okay, definitely. This is something that you need. I love this. This is so cute. And look how cute like the sleeves are with this little detail, like right here. This is really nice. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that this came in several different colors too. I just went and showed it to Brooke, and she liked it too. Okay, and then the last pair of leggings are from Avia, and they're the same Flex Tech, and they are, you guys know I love just the plain black with the white stripes, and they're just the same, yeah, just the same as I've got on now with the white stripes. And then I did get, oh my goodness, I think I went overboard with the jackets, but I got this one that had the sheared sleeves. And gosh, my stomach's so white. Okay, here it is. I love this one too. I just loved that detail with the sheared sleeves, and this one's kind of like slinky, you know what I mean? It like hangs on you perfectly, and oh, it's so cute. This one is going to be, I wish you could feel it, it's like really, really silky, almost like, it reminds me almost of like a nightgown or something, real soft and slinky. And this one does have pockets, which are important because you always need to put like your chapstick, keys, kind of stuff like that in there. I thought I would try this last outfit on for you. I tried on these leggings that are the Avia. They're compression. Let me see. Moisture wicking, enhances comfort, helps you keep you dry. And they did slide right on, and I am sweating like crazy from trying all these different ones on. They're antimicrobial, odor control fabric, and compression for maximum support. And then this is just one of those. I thought this would be good for the cold mornings. We'll try to go down there after I take Will to school. And so, oh my gosh, this is so fuzzy. Okay, so this I thought would look good with these. And I just threw on my boots because that was the quickest thing to do. But whatever tennis shoes, boots, or whatever you want to wear them with, I will be wearing them with tennis shoes. I was thinking, a pair of black tennis shoes might be good to wear with all of these. Okay, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you saw something that you liked. I loved all the leggings. I think they're you can probably tell right here, they're not real tight right here. They feel very, very nice. I really like them. And of course, all the tops. And I love the thing with the thumb hole. Just as usual, I like it all. The only thing is I think the little exercise top, I probably got too big. So I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me down below what your favorite outfit was, and I will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.